Hi everybody, in this video I will let you all know how can you use Acko Insurance Mobile. In order to use Acko Insurance app on your mobile device for various purpose, including managing your policies and downloading policy document, you first need to search for Acko Insurance in your App Store or Google Play Store. So head over to your respective App Store. On the search box you want to type in Acko. Then this is the particular app. Click on the install button. Once installed, click the open button and this is going to take you to their official page, which will look something like this. Now in my case I'm going to use the web version, so you could also type in acko.com. So when you are taken to this page, you could either go in and log in with your phone number or maybe log in with your email address. Once you're logged in, then you will need to locate my policy section within the app, after which you want to choose a specific policy you want to manage from the list of your policy as well. Then you have to go and look for the policy document options related to the selected policies, and from there you could usually download the digital copy of your policies. Twice the additional features include managing your insurance details or checking policy status, other services such as including vehicle related services and integrated healthcare features as well. So this is how you could use Acko Insurance Mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.